Okay guys, here we are with the Thinkware F800 Dash Cam. Just picked it up from Best Buy today. Get a look around at the box. Bottom, top. There she is in all of her glory. Pretty excited for this. If you don't know, I rent the car out on Turo. I'll put a link down in the description for that. But you can rent the Green Hornet if you're around this area. If you are around this area and you rent my car, well, I would like to have a dash cam in there for any video evidence of anything that may happen. Hopefully nothing does happen, but good to have a nice dash cam anyway. So here we are, the Thinkware Dash Cam F800. Gonna unbox it. We're gonna do an install as well in another video. There is one piece that I am missing to do the install, so I can't do it yet. If you want to hardwire this in and take advantage of all the parking systems and parking video systems that it does, you will need to buy the hardwire kit. So I have that in the mail from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. Link will be down in the description for the dash cam, link for the Turo rental, all kinds of links in the description. So check that out. Hit the video with a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to it. Here we are with the Thinkware F800. Okay guys, so here's another quick look at the box. A couple things on the box here. It's talking about the 1080p Sony Exmor R Starvis image sensor. 30 frames per second, 1080p full HD camera. Super Night Vision 2.0. I'll put a comparison up. You see here the difference with Super Night Vision on and off. And this is straight from their website. I'll shoot my own comparison when I have the camera set up. Time-lapse recording will record when you're parked in time-lapse setting, so your files are not huge. Safety camera alert, road safety warning system. That is your driver assistance system that they talk about on the website. It'll sense cars in front of you, can sense cars coming into your lane, and it will also tell you about safety cameras. Also, you have integrated thermal protection here. For those hot Texas days, we're going to be good. The operating temperature is all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Storage temperature 156 degrees Fahrenheit. So the thermal protection is the real deal on this. And if you live in a hot state like we do down here in Texas in the summer, you're going to need that. 2-channel for front and rear, so you can do a front camera and a rear camera, as you saw on the front of the box here as well. So you can connect your phone to this over the Wi-Fi hotspot and view what your camera is capturing in real time. Runs off a micro SD card, 64 gigs. Got GPS built in, your format-free 2.0 technology, which just means that it records in an easy-to-read file format. You're not going to have to convert it to view it on a computer or on your phone. Got an upgraded processor, says best-in-class performance. I, of course, have no way of testing that, but I have to take their word for it. And that's pretty much everything I can think of to go over with the Thinkware F800. So without further ado, let's get inside. Alright guys, let's do this. Thinkware Dash Cam F800. Gonna unbox it with the Benchmade bug out here. I'm sure you've noticed there is a nice little seal on the box. Do not accept if seal is broken. Pretty self-explanatory. Our seal is intact, but not for long. Ah, there it is. Alright, let's get into this guy here. Well, right away, you're presented with the camera, and that's awesome. I like that. Pulling out the camera right here. Oh wow, it's really light. 0.2 something pounds. But yeah, that is really light. We'll set that to the side just for a second. And you see in here, and our documents inside. So this looks like the mounting piece. 3M adhesive tape on the back. Our instruction manual. Quick start guide and warranty, always handy. Customer service information. And we've got a cigarette lighter adapter, which I will not be using. Looks like some cable attachments, if you want to help hide your cable. Got a USB stick, I'm assuming for your micro SD card. That's pretty cool. Extra adhesive, and a 16 gig SD card. I did not expect that. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look at the camera out of the plastic here. Man, I don't think I could really articulate how light this feels. For something of this size, I mean, it feels like this thing is filled with air. This is better than I ever thought it could have been, to be honest. This is going to look so good on the Green Hornet. Here's your buttons. Format, power, Wi-Fi, little microphone button there, center button, Wi-Fi light, recording light, and GPS light there. And we'll go back around to this side. See the Thinkware, looks like maybe some lights there. Camera lens, and where you're going to use your adhesive mount right there. Really nice unit. Feels very well made. I like this. This has like grooves in it. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? There's little machining on this end piece here. Here. I like that. Nice little touch. Same on the button. Some machining up on the button there too. There you go, that's the Thinkware F800. And there's a quick look for you at everything that comes in the box. Got the camera, the F800 right there, your mounting piece with a 3M adhesive already on, as well as a backup 3M adhesive. You have some 3M adhesive wire catches, wire cable clip things. They give you a nice little micro SD adapter, USB adapter, and they also include an SD card. You've got your wiring for the cigarette adapter. I won't be using that. If you want to take advantage of all the features of this, you will have to order the hardwire kit, and we will be getting that as well. So that's it. There's our unboxing of the Thinkware F800 Dash Cam. Quick overview of everything that comes in the box. I'll put a link to Amazon in the description below. I will be doing an install video as well. I also will be doing a review video on this product as well. So stay tuned for all of that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit it with a thumbs up. You know what it is. See you next time on the Green Hornet.